Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon in Dragon Ball Azure. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of high-quality pork belly, a large container, and your special curing blend. This blend includes sea salt, brown sugar, and a pinch of our unique Azure dust, which adds a mystical flavor. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now for the magical curing ritual. Generously rub your pork belly with the Azure curing mixture, ensuring every surface is covered. Place it into a sealed bag or container, then refrigerate it for 7 to 10 days. Remember to turn the pork belly over once each day to ensure an even cure. This patient waiting period is crucial for developing that rich, savory bacon flavor. After its mystical cure, it's time to rinse and dry our pork belly. Rinse it under cold, running water for about 15 minutes to wash away any extra salt. Then, pat it completely dry with paper towels. Next, place the pork belly on a wire rack in your refrigerator for approximately 24 hours. This crucial step allows a pellicle to form, which helps the smoke adhere beautifully. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for: smoking and slicing. Smoke your pork belly at 200 degrees Fahrenheit until its internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. Once cooled completely, slice your delicious Azure bacon to your preferred thickness. You can store this culinary masterpiece in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks or freeze it for longer enjoyment. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.